Hey guys, it's Tyler with the Treasure Davis team. Welcome to 8116 Stedman Drive. We're in the Briargate neighborhood and you don't want to miss out on this one if you're a first-time home buyer. It's got mountain views to offer, and with the unfinished basement, drywall provided, you can finish it and make it exactly what you want. So if you're looking to get in the Briargate neighborhood at an affordable price, this house might be for you. Let's see what it's got.
Get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand, just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand, let's live our dream. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand, just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand, let's live our dream. Summertime.